na makita at makarinig ng balita kay Tatay Digong. So first question is, kamusta po si Tatay Digong on your visit today?
So okay, hello!
You're beautiful.
So manahid lang ko na I will make this medyo short today since I am yet to get breakfast like I told them kanina and napod ko buhaton. But for the visit today, it went very light. There were lots of laughs today as compared to the other days. Maybe because nung first day, medyo alam mo na baguhan kasi we haven't seen each other in like a couple of months, so it was emotional the first time. But this visit was quite light. We were laughing the whole time, and there was even this moment where he grabbed the microphone sa mga nakikinig and he told them in Bisaya na ito pakinggan nyo, tawa kami ng tawa. Kaya ayun, so it was a light visit and he's okay. Today I was able to bring him snacks because to make up for my forgetfulness yesterday, I was able to bring him his favorites. Ayun, actually may hawak ako na Coke Zero kanina, it's in the car. But I got him his favorite nacho cheese Doritos, caramel waffles, sa isang Coke Zero and Gatorade. Kaso he was able to finish the Gatorade pero yung Coke Zero hindi na naubos, so ako yung nagdala ngayon. Ayun, he kept asking today about my mother and of course I reassured him na we're doing everything we can and that she is okay, she is well. Of course she misses him, they miss each other. But ayun, sadly we have to cope up with the situation. And ayun, yung may pinaabot lang siyang message to my mom na you and only you daw. So baka magalit yung mom ko pag ano. Hindi naman, pero ayun, he just wants to reassure my mom because he knows that she is in a lot of agony pag hindi niya nakikita yung dad ko. Syempre, they've been together for so many decades already. So of course, they're used to each other's company. And ayun naman, yung ibang kwento namin is about the people here outside. So I was able to talk about everyone, his supporters who wait every day outside. And he asked kung ilan ba today. Sabi ko, I'm not sure, but I did see a few a while ago before I went in. And so at least now, may kwento ako para sa next visit ko na medyo madami kayo dito. So masasabi ko yun sa kanya because he was smiling about it and kunento ko sa kanya na sometimes, especially in the Philippines, nilalapitan ako ng mga babae na medyo kaedad niya or may edad na umiiyak sa akin, Kitty, kailan ba lalabas yung papa mo? Miss na miss ko na siya. Ayun, parang kinilig naman siya doon. He was happy to hear it and ayun, he's happy to know that you're still showing up, you're still here to love and support and, you know, just be there through this very overwhelming and challenging journey of his.
May napag-usapan kayo about current events in the Philippines?
That was nagkausap sila ni VP on the phone, so I left it to VP. So, VP was able to read him the newspaper and ako naman yung sa usual family matters kasi ang dami niyang tanong usually. Ngayon napag-usapan namin si Mira na ayaw pumasok, medyo matigas yung ulo, we had a hard time with that today. Sabi niya, nasabihan daw si Mira pag hindi siya pumasok hindi daw siya uuwi, so ayun, and then we just went back and forth about every single member of the family. Kinamusta niya, kamusta si Kulong, tapos Inday Sara na naman, Sebastian, and then me. And ayun, sabi niya, para sa akin daw, hindi mo na daw magpaligaw. So, ayun, kailangan kong sundin yun ngayon. So, ayun, yes.
Kitty, you're so beautiful. My question for you is,
yes.
Before kasi nakita ko, wait a minute.
Alam ko may picture tayo dati. Ang ganda natin dalawa dun.
Ma'am, tanong ko lang sa'yo, kasi alam ka ni former President may tatlong ang billboard, one is the biggest in Makati.
Yes, he actually memorizes where they're located, yung mga billboards na yun. So, sometimes, kamusta niya yung billboard mo dun sa ganito, sa location na yan? Okay naman, nandun pa rin. And I do send him pictures of it, of all of them also. And minsan tanong niya pa, oh, kailan ba yan madagdagan? Sabi ko, hintay ka lang, hindi pa tayo masyado sikat, next time na. So, ayun.
Kasi yung sa Makati nakita ko. Pero yung sa Davao ay others. Thank you for that.
Yes,
Oo.
thank you.
Anong oras nag-start ang visit mo, Kitty, today?
It started at 2:30.
Sa nabagong oras.
And then at 4, bago lang. So, it was the usual 1 hour and 30 minutes. Tapos, ayun, very eventful naman ng aming ngayon. Puro tawanan, puro, actually, I tried to massage him, his hands, ganun. Yung mga pag ganun lang, sabi niya okay lang daw siya kasi he feels strong today. So, ayun.
Quick question lang. Is the characterization of your father physical appearance being bones and skin still carries?
I wouldn't say bones and skin. Of course, they have to feed him there. It's their responsibility, their obligation. But yes, he is losing a lot of weight, and but also we concluded na it comes with the aging, of course. He realized na minsan nga sinasabi niya, oh, I am 84, I am 85. No, buwang ka, you are 80. Ayun, so bata pa ka, hindi pa pwede. So, ayun, I remind him na, hindi, bata ka pa, malakas ka pa. Dami mo nga nakakrush sa'yo dyan sa labas eh. So, ayun, tumatawa lang siya. Ayun nga, of course, he lost weight. Lalo na as compared to before he was taken. Kasi, syempre at home, he can eat whatever he likes. He has a support system. And ayun, of course, when you're in a place you don't belong to, it comes with the emotional and the mental and the physical distress. So, anyone would understand kung bakit pumapayat siya.
Correct.
He doesn't have the appetite. But he does eat. He does eat.
Ikaw, Kitty, have you recovered from the trauma in Villanueva Air Base?
Ako, yes naman, I would say. Kasi, it really came with the kind of upbringing both of my parents gave to me. Kasi, my mother's very tough. She's a disciplinarian, very authoritative. My father, he's very gentle. Kung sa atin pa, konsentidor. Pero I think that certain dynamic that they created really molded me into, who I am today and, what I'm capable of taking in.
Just
So,
to follow,
I am okay.
Just to follow up on my previous question, Kitty, can you share to us the activities that your father is doing there, like walking perhaps, or whatever, any other activities?
Ito kasi siya, minsan ayaw magsabi ng totoo. So, sometimes I have to ask the guards inside. But as of what I've heard, there are times that he does walk around. Like I always remind him, uy, pag bilad dira sa init, kay para na sa imong muscles, o sa imong bukog, kailangan maglakaw-lakaw ka, kailangan malihok mo imong lawas. So, sometimes, sundo niya, sometimes dili, he's a really stubborn guy. So, it really just depends on what his mood is for the day. He does walk around sometimes, he does read sometimes, he watches different channels sometimes, and he can't use the laptop because he isn't techie at all and he doesn't know how to use it. But ayun, TV, lakad, and yun, talking to us on calls.
Just one last question. You mentioned before that he's looking out by the window, thinking if may tao pa ba sa labas. Can he see the people outside, or is it up?
No, he can't.
Okay, that's
Parang alam mo kung muni-muni niya.
Correct,
ganon.
okay.
When parang, well, I think all of us naman in our solace sometimes we get too deep into our thinking. So just the same with him inside. Napapaisip siya palagi. He thinks of the family. He thinks of everyone, the supporters, and sometimes he would even joke around na, uy, ako din, I was looking by the window last night, I was talking to you, did you hear? Tapos sabi niya, oh, narinig ko, nag-reply nga ako, parang ganun. So, he's still the same joker, a very humorous person, and ayun, ang sabi niya, do not worry about him daw, kasi sanay siyang mag-adapt to what life brings. He's used to dealing with whatever cards he's given. So, yan yung sabi niya.
Thank you, Kit.
Alam ko gutom na siya. No? May question ka, go. Taga Davao, go.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Oo, sir.
Any plan for 2028?
Sino?
Ikaw.
Ako? Hindi, secret. Madami akong plano para sa sarili
I
ko
know
muna.
revenge is not the right word,
Sorry?
but it will come.
Yes, yes. Ayun, it's not my time yet, and both my parents, they know of my personal plans, and ayun, I don't want to make any premature announcements. So, ayun, I'm thinking of me muna. I still have a lot of improvement and a lot of growth to, you know.
What's in your mind? What's in your mind to defend
Yes.
that?
She hasn't
Thank
eaten, pero can we few minutes for pictures?
Yes.
Okay, ganito.
Thank you, Kim.
Yung
Ngayon,
mga
sexy na ako
mariners
masyado.
na may deadline, nasasakay na, halina kayo. Bilis.
Thank you, Kit. Thank you.
Okay, dito.